Hi guys, welcome back to Val's Kitchen. Guys, I know you see this beautiful thumbnail and I know you all see the title. Right, to say yes. I'm gonna see what Val do today. I'm gonna see what Val is doing today. So today guys, I'm gonna do some barbecue turkey neck guys. I'm gonna make a nice sauce, spicy and nice. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make my sauce. I'm gonna barbecue my turkey neck guys. It's a different twist, you know. But always I eat stew turkey neck or curry turkey neck. So today I'm gonna go a little twist to my turkey neck. And guys, have you ever tried it before? You know, for the turkey neck lovers, because you know some people don't, some people do, but you know, when we cook my turkey neck, you know guys, wow, you don't miss oxtail. So I'm gonna do a little twist to it today, you know. So tell me down in the comment down below guys, and tell me if you ever had it before, right? Yeah. You know I have to clean my turkey neck and wash it guys. First, I have to put some vinegar. I have to put a lot of vinegar guys and let it soak for a bit, right? And I have ginger, garlic, a good amount of garlic, about 6 pegs, 1, 2, 3, 4, call it 6 pegs of garlic. I have a piece of ginger, scallion, thyme, and I'm going to use a medium onion and a small sweet pepper. A little black pepper. We have to have some salt to taste. We have to have a pimento seeds, a little paprika, right? So guys, you can use any seasoning of your choice, you know, right? You can use any seasoning of your choice whilst your meal come out nice and juicy and flavorful and delicious and all of the good things then. You don't have to use what I use, just make sure you cook your pot nice. So string them guys, like a fatty. See like how you clean a chicken? You know, you clean your chicken, you clean your meat. Any meat, just clean it properly. You know, you get a nice tasting meat. It's not raw and it, you know, yeah. And you can use, if you have anything of your choice, you can use and clean your meat. You understand? You use a lemon, you use a vinegar, you use a lime. Some people use salt. Anything of your choice. So let me just wash this nicely, clean it up nice, and come back and prepare my seasoning, right? Right. Yes guys, wash your meat until the water becomes clear. You don't see the bloody water again. Right? Alright, so you can set it nice and clean now. Look at the water. And let's mix it. Nice. Alright, so the seasoning, it is ready for the seasoning now guys. Alright. So the seasoning that I'm gonna be using to make up my nice, lovely, tasty turkey neck guys. This is my seasoning right here. I'm gonna blend it. Right? Nice pretty chops, you know guys, because it's gonna blend out, right? You don't have to worry about a nice proper chopping, you know? Guys, and everything is already washed here, only the meat alone. Okay, I emphasize that enough, you know. Only the meat alone didn't wash, so you know I can't emphasize that enough. I have to wash my stuff before I start using them. Alright, yes guys, much of the hard sticks on them. Now the seasoning. So I'm gonna take off some of them hard stems here, you know. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna put all these in the blender. Blend up some nice seasoning. So the next time when you see me, guys, I'm gonna be putting my seasoning on my meat, guys. To get the liquid, I put some vinegar, little vinegar. I didn't want to put any water. I put a teaspoon of salt and about a half teaspoon of paprika and a small amount of vinegar because I didn't want to put any water. I don't like to put water when I'm making my seasoning. My green seasoning, I don't use water. And to seed too, yes. Show you all the seasoning before, right? Yeah. Now pepper not in this, you know, so I can always use my hand rubbing the seasoning properly. I'm gonna make a nice spicy sauce for it, for the barbecue, right? Don't miss it, you know, guys. Stay tuned, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Nice. Baking dish that I'm gonna use. This is the biggest one, so I'm just gonna use both of them to put the meat, right? So that's where I have space. Alright, so I have these and holding this, right? And then now like a small size here, just put the remainder. Put our little fan wrap in the guys. Check them back in 30 minutes, alright? Ketchup to make the sauce, guys. A little vinegar, some soy sauce, a little sugar, pepper. I'm gonna use this pepper, a little butter, but I'm gonna do it and show you. I'm gonna get it nicely done, alright? Female, guys, we female. Wow, the aroma. Ooh. Smells so awesome. Awesome. Wow, it's cooking. You see this, guys? This broth, I need some to make up my spicy sauce, right? Show off some, right? Nice. Yeah. Yes, guys, so it shrink down now, so all the meat can go in the one dish. So I'm gonna put everything in one. So I'm gonna place it back in the oven to finish cook, and then we'll get the sauce. And I look about my sauce. So guys, what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna make my nice little sauce for my turkey neck. So this is the broth, turkey neck broth. So make up some sauce, because I know you want to keep the flavor, you know, guys. You want to keep the flavor. You just don't want to use just the ketchup and the sugar and the brownie. You don't want to keep the same flavor, right? And a little, I'm going to use a small amount of soy sauce. Nice little sauce. So that is what I'm going to put in there a while ago. I put some ketchup. I put a little brownie. No, I put a little soy sauce and some vinegar. Right? I'm gonna put about a half teaspoon of sugar. We need a little butter. Watch it. Right amount of butter, guys. So a little butter. It's just to flavor your thing and turn up your thing the right and proper way, you know. Right. Oh, I put the pepper. I want it spicy. I cut the pepper. Yeah. They start to come together nicely. Few seeds of pimento, couple seeds. Nice spicy sauce. Want to cut nice and thick. Build the flavor. And I want a little salt, just a little tip. Just a little pinch of salt. Because you know salt make everything come together. Right. Yes. You know, so use the same flavor from your stock, from the turkey neck carriage. Anything you're cooking, if you just use the same stock and you'll get this nice flavor sauce. Right? Barbecue sauce. Coming on nicely, guys. So nice. Well, a little more ketchup. And you want the right consistency. You want a good body. You don't want it watery, right? If you can use honey too, you know, guys. You know, you can use honey instead of the sugar. You can use honey, right? But you have to get this rich consistency. Yeah, I like how it's coming on. Yeah, so let this simmer for 5 minutes, and then we'll take it and put it on the meat. And just put it back in the oven for another for the next 5 minutes, guys. Alright? So guys, what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna put my sauce. Look at this cooking now, look at this. Let me see, no more water, it's not watery, so you know it's well done. Well cooked, well barbecue. No, that is not barbecue as in. When it's barbecue, when the sauce is on it. Guys, look at this, look at the sauce. Spicy, nice. The pepper here little and bad, you know, guys. It's so awesome! Sweet and tangy taste, guys. It's barbecue sauce, awesome. So what I'm gonna be doing now, and let's put it back in the oven for 5 minutes. Let it marinate, all the sauce marinate inside of in it, you know. Yeah, get a nice golden brown color. Yeah, I love this. I love it. I don't know, I just come up with an idea here to just barbecue. Say I'm gonna do barbecue. I was thinking about barbecue, something, you know, and it's flashing my thoughts, you know, guys. Yeah. Barbecue something. I'm seeing, you know, so we're gonna barbecue turkey neck, you know. Let's some more to eat with the rice and peas. Yeah. Put it back in the oven now. For 5 minutes or so. It looks nice though. It is nice. I taste it. Nice. Alright, so now let me just put it back for 5 minutes or less. 5 minutes or less, guys. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty, guys. Yeah. Yes, guys. Wow. Look at this. Sauce and nice. Like it, guys? Wow. It's so awesome. Tender and nice. Yeah. So I'm gonna share it. Just put in a plate, a nice plate. Share a nice plate and let you all see the end product, right? this is my barbecue turkey neck with spicy sauce. Right guys, so thanks again for watching guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell, give me a thumbs up man. Guys, see you all in the next video. No, I forgot to taste my meat guys, taste my meat. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh my word. Guys, look at this. Take a bite. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. 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 Wow, guys. Mmm. Guys, everything is amazing, guys. It's so awesome. So awesome, guys. Nice. I can't even tell you. Try it, guys, and tell me. Guys, make the sauce. You see how I do the sauce? Make it so awesome. The sauce have a sweet taste, it have a peppery taste, it have a tangy taste. It's just nice, guys. Just awesome. Make the sauce just as I show you how to make the sauce. You will be amazed. Thanks again for watching, guys, and bye.